Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to walk you through Boston Whaler's all-new 190 Montauk. Starting off with the profile of the boat, a nice substantial rub rail, black graphics on a white hull. This boat is powered with a 150 four-stroke from Mercury. On display here, we've got the removable backrests that are now available on the Montauk. Boarding ladder to the port side. You can see when the seats are in position or when they're stowed away. And you do have storage on both sides. A lot of space here in the cockpit of the boat. Got a live well beneath the helm seat. An adjustable backrest that locks into multiple positions. This model is equipped with the standard rails at the stern. We got teak midship, all powder coated for the T-top, 5 rocket launchers. We do have a Raymarine already installed on this boat, along with a Fusion stereo. We got a storage area inside the console. Large bow cushion area with 2 storage lockers beneath. One area for a fish box, and another area forward for your anchor. And this boat does have a trolling motor panel already pre-wired. We have low profile rails at the bow. Nice cooler seat with a backrest, windshield, and then tackle storage on the starboard side console. 4 speakers, 2 aft and 2 along the console. And that's a look at our 19 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at marinemax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page for more information as well. I'm Carl Anderson. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.